What's going on, guys? So it's literally 9:40 in the morning right now. I don't wake up this early, and this is probably not even early to some of you guys. And yeah, I was woken up by the FedEx driver. Fool was slamming on the door. Got some parts in. So I did buy an exhaust for the daily, but it is not as loud as my other one, and I'm going to unbox it with you. I got a DNA bolt-on exhaust on my other Lexus. I got the DNA headers, so I thought like some of their parts were pretty cool. So I'm gonna try this one out. I don't usually do like bolt-on exhaust because they sound like fart cannons, and that is exactly what I got, a fart cannon looking one. So it does come with the actual resonator and then the actual exhaust, the end of the exhaust pipe. If you Lexus owners know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put it down, hold up. There we go. All bubble wrapped, but the hanger. Cool. So here's the entire exhaust. Sick. Wrap this all up. And bubble wrap, or saran wrap it. It's pretty nice for the price I paid. Let's put this back. I gotta take out that silencer. That thing's ugly as fuck. And here's the resonator. It's a resonator delete, so I'll just replace the stock resonator. Pretty nice. And comes with gaskets and some hardware. If you guys want to pick up the same exhaust, it is $110 on eBay. So, or you could go head over to DNA Motoring, and they also sell it on their own site. That's where I got it. But eBay does sell it cheap too. eBay exhaust for live, bro. Yeah. So my exhaust on this Lexus, this one, my stanced out one. I do have DNA headers. It goes down to a Megan Y pipe, and after that is a custom exhaust. It's like 2.5 inch back, whatever, and just a tip at the end. That's what I have, and that shit is way too loud. So, and it's kind of like my show car, I guess. I mean, I haven't taken it to any shows, but that's what it is. So I do daily my other Lexus, so that's why I got the fart cannon exhaust. But I'm gonna show you the differences. But yeah, that was the sound of my car with the DNA headers, Megan Y pipe, and just a straight back 2.5 piping. Yeah, that shit's pretty loud, and fuck the phone. It's pretty loud, so I didn't want a daily something super loud again. So hopefully this will be a good investment. Very shiny, much shiny, yes. So everything's jacked up. Always have a jack stand, guys and girls. There's 2 bolts right there, and then 2 bolts at the end. Not sure if you guys can see it. So this is the spring-loaded one. There's one right there, and there's one on the other side. I don't know if you can see it. It's like right there. And then right there. There's two. One right there and one right there. So this is basically right here, the resonator. After that is basically where the exhaust or the muffler comes out. So there's two pieces to it. Just like how I showed you when on the DNA exhaust. That was the resonator, but this resonator is huge as fuck. It might be a little bit loud because it's smaller, compact, I don't know. But, and then this is the end of the exhaust. Oh, it's pretty hot. Fuck. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys. Look what the previous owner did. Put the fucking sticker, the tag upside down. Bruh. So first off, I'm gonna take out these Allen wrenches because silencers are gay. But I'm gonna take that shit off. Take the other side off. So those two little Allen keys are out. You just gotta pull it. Is there another one? Oh shit. Ah! Damn, there's like kinks in this already. Damn, this shit is shiny. What the fuck? This nigga. So we got the resonator off. It's right here. Most is300s, they're gonna be fucking rusted. Yeah, look at that. It's pretty bad. It's actually really bad. This side wasn't that bad. But luckily, I haven't had fucking the breaker bar, and the breaker bar also connects to the gun. So yeah, we got that shit off. Both sides were 14s, so you just got it. This side's already welded nuts in, so and you just gotta have a 14 wrench on the other side while you take off the other 14 on this side while you hold this one. So yeah. So right now we're taking off the hangers. The hangers are like the fucking shittiest time ever. But yeah, you just get a flathead, or there is a tool that just pulls it out really easy, but I don't know what it's. I don't have that, but so we're gonna have to do it to get away and just pry the bitch out. So we got the exhaust off. It was a bitch to get off, so there's two hangers on each side and two on the other side. I highly recommend to loop the fuck out of it. That's what we did. We looped the shit out of it. And what we also found out is that the DNA exhaust, you need to chop off this end right there because it does not fit, because you know this end. But I don't know what I'm gonna do, so right now I might just put the exhaust on and run a stock resonator because, you know, reps. So we actually made it fit. This aftermarket resonator is on. I used the stock gasket on here, and then I also used the gasket that it came with, and it fucking fit like perfectly. So I think you have to use both gaskets. Hopefully it doesn't leak. If anything, I'll just get gasket maker and then just wipe that bitch on. But yeah, just gotta put the exhaust on now. Pick it up. So you gotta put the gasket on. Hey, way.
Angle.
There. This shit's gonna be all crooked, watch. Oh my god. I'm ripped. I just put the hangers on, you just stuck it on. What?
I don't know how to fucking turn.
You're stuck?
Yeah.
I guess you're staying down there.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Here. Okay.
Oh, fuck this.
Oh, that shit's crooked. Look at this fart cannon, bro. Oh, it's not even on the hanger yet, huh? Oh, fucking ricer now, guys.
The hangers?
Hell yeah.
Why?
Cause I was tired. Fart cannon, bro. crooked as fuck. So we just put the exhaust on all the hangers and it lines up pretty perfect. It's nice, very nice. Very rice, very rice. So yeah. And then my other baby. Oh shit, the lighting's really bad. Oh, I can't see it. Rip. Just all piping. Straight piped. This one's just ghetto piped. So Ivan's gonna start it up. Fucking goes all the way to the left. It looks fucking gay. Just kidding, whatever. Go ahead. It's the Hey, it's actually clean. It's like a quiet clean. Rev it a little. Do it again. Alright. Sounds like what?
It sounds like Leslie's.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but Leslie's is a little deeper.
It sounds clean though.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Turn your wheel. It don't sound that bad. Not too shabby. Go. Hey, it's not that bad. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys liked the video, hit that like button, and I'll be back for more vlogs. Peace.